Hi guys, today I'm tearing down a Morphy Richard, a sandwich maker or a toaster, or you can cook anything on them really. Good old machine there. This is an old one now. Put the screws here now. Phillips screws. Here then you have three brass pins here. Cut them off. Here we have a plug. There's no fuse in it anyway, so no wonder it's not working. Anyway, it's bad, no good anyway. Just taking all the hardware out of the plugs, guys. Just throw plastic as all. No point in throwing a shred into the bin. I know shred is worth nothing, but it's better off in the bin than it is in the garbage. Now, nice plastic goodness there, guys. About 8 cents there worth of brass on that one is cleaned off, but I cleaned it off on my Saturdays for my shreds or my bit of wire. On my microscrap day I do all that stuff. This bit of wire, 3 bits of brass there. Yep. Nuts are steel, they're sticking, but it's okay. I take them off on the weekend. Now we open up the inside here, see what's going on here. It's going to be a dirty old machine now, these are. But just the main thing is get the copper over anyway. 3 more bits of brass there, guys. Plastic. Tiny Phillips we need now. Another bit of brass connectors. Same at this end. But that's just holding this on. Screw there needs to come out. This one is well worn. Well worn, this one. this one here. I'm going to prise it up a bit. My bigger screwdriver here for that job. Snug it up. Like that. Now, the flathead is the best. Just slide it in under here like so, guys, and just follow it right around. Every day it's a scrapyard as it is. A dirty alley for it. So always we clean it, make it dirty. Now, that's a different category at the scrapyard too, that is heating element. But let's clean alley now. Not too bad. I'm just screwed there, but those screws look like they're burnt off. I don't know, it might be she might be torque. Excuse me. No, it's not torque. Excuse me, guys. Screwdrivers. They were burnt on it, is making me cough. Screws. Bit of plastic. Quite burnt out. Now in here, guys, as you can see, we have same again, brass here, and here. Needs to be all cut off. Screwdriver, Phillips again. Few bits of brass again here. So there'll be a few bits of brass on it. I clean them up, I wouldn't sell them as dirty brass. I clean everything up. My magnet gone flying to now here. This here, guys, this wire here, stainless steel. Stainless steel bin. I'm actually starting to gather a good bit of stainless steel. It's only bits, guys, but clean off this brass, clean off this brass, and make a single. No bother at all to do that. Paper. Here then we have a silver contact in that one there, guys. Now that can be bit off that part there, I'd say, because one of them sur clips in this now as well. Sometimes they fly out, sometimes they don't. I'll pick that up in a few minutes, guys. It's just on the ground there. Just making a clean alley, you know. Just to go to this now, and let's clean alley again. That's not a bad old tear down, guys. Messy, alright. Just look at Desi clean that up. I said there's money in dirt, isn't it? Lift it up like so, right under a flathead screwdriver, guys. If you pull it with your hand, you're going to break it, you'll dust all over the place. So, just kidding on there. And when it goes down to the nest, just bring it back up to like so. Because it will stop it from opening it up. There's no point in that without this dirty alley when you can get clean alley for it, guys. You know, clean alley is nearly €1 a kilo. There's after busting now, you see that there? But that's okay. Just what I was saying, like, it messes the shed up, guys. The powder, you don't need that powder around the place. It's only heat resistant powder really, but a wire going through the middle of that as well, like so. But, you know, you might as well get €1 a kilo, guys, instead of maybe 30 cents a kilo. I'd say you'd get if you brought into scrapyard for the aluminium. Dirty aluminium in Ireland, don't do it, guys, to be honest with you. Shred is alright here all the time. Nice bit of clean alley. Let's see what we got over the gallery. 2 bits of alley. €1 for 2 bits of aluminium, guys. Sorry. €1. 12 cents for the copper. And just copper here. I have brass on that, but I'm putting that off it. That'll be going as singles. $0.10, guys. Then I have just this bit here. I don't know what price it is at the moment, but sure. I'll put in a shred anyway, I won't get much more than that. But 5 cents, 5, 6 cents, guys. Oh no, guys, it's not too bad. It's a quick tear down. You know, it goes to show, like, there's no point catching and throwing it into the. In Ireland, they go have what you call it, e-waste. Throw it into e-waste. You get nothing for it, but you break them down, you get a few pence. That's the way I look at it. You have a bit of brass there now, we'll cut all that off. You know, small bit of brass. Clean brass at that, you know. into the brass as well, guys. It's on the wrong way. Two cents of brass, guys. And another bit here. It's empty. So basically all this there now can go into that there sticky. Yeah, that shred. Just cut a bit of wire off the end of it is all. And obviously the plug, guys, as well. For 8 cents for the plug as well, guys. So no, it's just what, 150 is it? 170 I'd say I got. That's aluminium on top. This usually is to pull on that magnetic. Just get out just a bit of aluminium. It's a tiny bit, so it wouldn't even weigh like, but you know. There's aluminium, and in here we have, 2 silver contacts. I'll tear them down on the weekend. She's shred, bit of alley. Oh guys, that's it, full tear down, didn't take long. I'm sure made a few pence out of it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.